Hey guys, it's Party EDC, and today we are going to unbox the Grip6 belt. Here, I order this Grip6 from the Grip6 website. I used it before, I love it, and I just ordered it more. So, because I live in Taiwan, and the Grip6 is obviously the American made. It's shipping from the US. I've been waiting for this belt for like a month and a half. When I ordered it on first time, I wait 50 days for it. This time it's a little bit faster, possibly around a month though. So I am really excited for this one. So let's get into it. So I ordered 3 of the belt. So like 3 strap for the element, 3 color, and also the bucket will be the chest, the walnut, and also the carbon fiber. So it's gonna be on one of these. So like it comes with one of the stickers as well, which is okay, a nice things they have. And so let's get to it. So you can clearly see that the box condition is not that great, but I mean, well, shipped from US to Taiwan takes nearly a month. I don't expect anything more, but hopefully that belt just will stay fine, right? And I believe it is. So, wow, Battle Bite, I saw that advertisement. So the first one here is a walnut bucket with kind of like a brown, what do you call it? Timber color. This looks pretty nice. I love this one. Look at how shine glows. It looks a little bit classy than the classic one that I have before. And the bucket, the walnut, ooh, that feels really good. It feels solid. It's not gonna break. And some Grip6 logo print, not print, like pumped in there. Very nice, clean and minimal. I love that. That's why they love Grip6, and this thing is gonna be added in my collections for sure. That's very cool. Let's jump into the next one. So the next one is gonna be the one on the middle here, and it is, ooh, so it's a silver strap, comes with the chest. Okay, so the silver strap, so a little bit shine through, just like the timber, right? And the chest. Ooh, that's what I want to try about their bucket, like, because I previously have just the flat color, and now we have like engraving something here, which is, oh, this looks pretty good. I love it. Oh, can't wait to wear them, really. This thing looks pretty good. So again, the chest is the is it king? It's king, right? I can't even remember, I'm sorry. I believe it's a king. Yeah, it's a king. And wow, look at that, look at how they make it. Very nice indeed. And also yeah, some Grip6 logos there, which I don't mind. It's inside. Very cool and very good. So the last one is going to be the carbon fiber and the Raven, right, or the black one. So this is like the 2nd generation of carbon fiber, because I can't really order the first one. I kind of feel like the first one actually looks better in the picture. I have never seen the real one, so I don't know, but it's out of stock and I can't get it. So firstly, we're gonna take a look at this, the Raven. Wow, this looks pretty cool. And the carbon fiber, ooh, this actually looks way better than I thought it should be. And it feels pretty light as well, as far as I'm concerned, compared to the walnut. Yeah. The carbon fibers feels really light. It feels like I'm playing with plastic right now. But well, but the look of it, it looks stunning. I loved it. I can't wait to wear it. And this will go in to my new Grip6 belt collection. So I previously bought the set of them, and it comes with this nice hanger, right? The hanger, right? Possibly hanger. Sorry for my English. And I have these two classic ones right here, and the black one that I'm wearing right now. So maybe you should compare the straps real quick. So I have the original browns and silver straps here, right? Move that down there real quick, get it there. So I've been using this for a long time. I can't even remember how long. And then we will have this timber compared with the original. We can clearly see that this looks way better in my opinion, and that's a really good one, but it's a little more expensive though. I believe this is I'm sorry, I cannot remember the price. Possibly like 17 or 15, and this one will be 15 or like something like that. But the price is different, and I would say it is worth paying more. But well, I'm not gonna wear this every single day of the week, right? I possibly like maybe I'll go for this one, and then this one when I dress a little bit more, and it's gonna be pretty good. Love it so far. And also the silver and the silver. So yeah, way different. Seems to be a different approach, and I believe they works the same way as the original belt. It goes in there. Oh, same length. That's what I have. Look at that. Oh, whoa, that looks pretty cool. So it goes in there, and you go that way, and it just goes, and it just goes through. So your belt will stuck in like that, and that looks really good. I love it. So yeah, I can't wait to wear them. Should I take off the black and then compare with the blacks as well? I mean, why don't, right? Wait a minute. So now I can take that one off, and you can see how quick I can take this belt off. Well, there is some bending a little bit because we wear it, right? But it's still strong, very durable. I love this belt so much, and we have the black one compared to the brand new ribbon that I just have. So like, it definitely looks different, and yeah, I'm looking forward to test how they perform, right? Because this one feels a little bit thicker, and this one feels soft, and I don't know, it feels like it will be more vulnerable. I don't know, so I will have to test it. So we're gonna test this, and I will release another one after I test this thing for about a month or after that. That's really cool. So yeah, that is all about the Grip6 belt. So thank you so much for watching. So if you like the Grip6, if you hate it, leave in the comments down below. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.